Chapter 3 Pair of linear equation in two variable. Exercise 3.1 Question number 3. Question number 3. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. So again I will explain you. Listen carefully. The cost of 2 kg of apples. Here they are discussing about the cost. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. So the cost of 2 kg apple cost and 1 kg grape cost together is rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically. Algebraically means what? You have to create a linear equation in two variable for two situation. Next we have to draw the graph, that is called the graphically. First we can write the algebraically. So here which one we have to consider as x and y? The cost of apple we consider as x and the cost of grapes we consider as y. So I will write here, let cost of apple, 1 kg of apple we can, the cost of 1 kg of apple we consider rupees x and cost of 1 kg of grapes we consider as y. So the first equation, listen carefully, 2 kg of apple. So 2 kg of apple means 2x plus 1 kg of grapes. The cost of grapes is we consider rupees y. So 1 kg of grapes is 1y. So together cost is rupees 160. Apple cost, grapes cost together is 160. Now I will write the second equation. The cost of 4 kg of apple. So apple cost is what? Rupees x. 4 kg apple cost means 4x. Plus grapes cost is y. 2 kg grapes cost means 2y. Together cost is rupees 300. So equal to 300. So the first equation is 2x plus y equal to 160 and the second equation is 4x plus 2y equal to 300. Now we can create table for finding the coordinate point. So now we can create the table to find the coordinate point. So x, y. So already I told you x we have to consider as 0 first. Next we can consider y 0. So now listen carefully. Now substituting x equal to 0. In this equation, if you substitute x plus 0, 2 into 0, this term becomes 0. Then what you will get remaining? 1 into y, y. Then y equal to 160. So directly we can write y equal to 160. Similarly, y equal to 0 you have to represent. If y equal to 0 you have to you will represent in the second term. So second term vanish. Then what you will get? 2x equal to 160. So what you will get? 2x equal to 160. So 2 table we can cancel. 1 time 8 2s are 16, 0. So x equal to 80. So x equal to 80. So two coordinate point we found. One coordinate point is 0, 160. Another coordinate point is 80, 0. Now we can do the second equation coordinate. We can find the second equation coordinate point x and y. The first step x we consider as 0 and the second step y we consider as 0. Here x you consider as 0. The first term become vanish because 4 into 0 0. So it will become vanish. Then what you will get? 2y equal to 300. 2 two table, one time, here 150 term. Then y equal to 150. So y is what? 150. The next one, if you substitute y equal to 0 in this equation, the second term, it will become vanish. Then what you will get? 4x equal to 300. So what you will get? 4x equal to 300. Now we can divide it. 300 you divide by 4. So now you can divide it 304. If you divide, you will get the quotient 20. 75. 7 4s are 28. Remainder 2. Next you bring down 20. 20 how many times? 5 times. So 5 4s are 20. 0. So how much you got? 75. So x equal to 75. So x value is 75. Now you found the two coordinate point. One coordinate point 0, 150. Another coordinate point 75, 0. Now we can draw the graph. Now I will show you the graph. The coordinate point is 0, 160. Another point is 80, 0. So first equation coordinate point. This one is the second equation coordinate point. So first one is 0, 160. So 0, 160 means it is lying on the y-axis. 0, 160. So you can plot the point 0, 160 and 80, 0. X value you have. So it is lying on the x-axis. 80 place you can keep. Here there is 80 here. So then you can join both the points. So you will get one line. Then this line you can extend upward also and downward also. Next we can plot the another equation point 0, 150. 0, 150 it will lie on the y-axis. So 140 and 160 between is 150. So I will plot here. The next point is 75, 0. So 75, 0 means the points is lying on the x-axis. So 60 and 80 between 70. 70 after you have to keep 75. So now join this point and this point. Then extend the line upward also and downward also. Now listen here. Observe both the lines are not intersecting. So we can say that these two lines are parallel. Thank you.